Have you ever felt the call of the open road, the pull of vast landscapes, and the desire to explore places where nature's grandeur meets rich, vibrant history? Well, today we're re-embarking on an epic journey through two states that share one incredible spirit: California and Nevada. Forget what you think you know, because we're going deep into the heart of the American West, discovering a shared soul that connects towering forests, sprawling deserts, and lively cultures. This isn't just a road trip. It's an exploration of the Californias, a region defined not by lines on a map, but by a shared heritage and a spirit of adventure. So, buckle up and let's hit the road together. Our adventure begins in a place where you can't help but feel small in the best way possible. Welcome to Sequoia National Park, California's Cathedral of Giants. Standing at the base of these ancient sequoia trees is a truly humbling experience. Imagine craning your neck to see the top of the General Sherman tree, the largest living thing on Earth by volume. It's been standing here for over 2,000 years, a silent witness to history. Walking through the giant forest feels like stepping into a prehistoric world. The air is cool and crisp, scented with pine and damp earth. Every trail leads to another breathtaking grove, where sunlight filters through the massive canopy, creating a magical, almost spiritual atmosphere. It's a powerful reminder of nature's resilience and grandeur, a perfect starting point to understand the scale and beauty of this incredible region. From the quiet forests, we journey east, where the landscape transforms dramatically. We're heading into the vast, mesmerizing expanse of Death Valley, a place of extremes that straddles the border of California and Nevada. Don't let the name fool you. This valley is teeming with life and surreal beauty. Picture yourself standing atop the Mesquite Flat sand dunes at sunrise. The dunes, sculpted by wind into perfect, flowing curves, catch the morning light, casting long, dramatic shadows. The colors shift from soft gold to warm orange and deep purple in a matter of minutes. It's a photographer's dream and a wanderer's paradise. Exploring Death Valley feels like visiting another planet, from the salt flats of Badwater Basin, the lowest point in North America, to the vibrant hues of artists' palette. It's a testament to the raw, untamed beauty that defines this shared landscape. The spirit of the Wild West is alive and well here, and there's no better way to connect with it than from the back of a horse. Just a short drive from the neon glow of Las Vegas, you'll find Red Rock Canyon National Conservation Area in Nevada. The scenery here is stunning, with towering red sandstone peaks and Aztec sandstone cliffs, creating a dramatic backdrop. We saddled up for a guided horseback ride, following dusty trails that weave through the canyon. Our guide, a true modern-day cowboy, shared stories of the area's history, pointing out ancient petroglyphs and native plants. trotting along with the vast desert stretching out before us. You can almost hear the echoes of pioneers and prospectors who once traveled these same paths. It's an authentic, exhilarating experience that connects you directly to the land and its untamed spirit. Of course, no journey through the Californias would be complete without a visit to another one of its crown jewels. Yosemite National Park, while Sequoia shows us the world's largest trees. Yosemite showcases nature's artistry on a monumental scale. Driving into Yosemite Valley for the first time is a moment you'll never forget. The sheer granite cliffs of El Capitan and Half Dome rise thousands of feet from the valley floor, creating a scene of almost unbelievable beauty. We hiked the mist trail, feeling the spray of vernal fall on our faces, and stood in awe at Tunnel View, the iconic vista that captures the valley's epic scale. From the serene beauty of Tuolumne Meadows in the high country to the powerful roar of Yosemite Falls, the park is a masterpiece of geological forces. It's a place that inspires creativity and a deep appreciation for the natural world, a feeling that permeates this entire region. But this journey is about more than just stunning landscapes. It's about the people and the cultures that bring this region to life. The culinary scene in both California and Nevada is a delicious melting pot of influences. In California, we explored farm-to-table restaurants that celebrate the state's agricultural bounty, savoring fresh, innovative dishes. We also dove into the rich culinary traditions brought by immigrants from around the world, from authentic Mexican food in small, family-run taquerias to incredible Asian cuisine. Crossing into Nevada, we discovered a different flavor. Beyond the celebrity chef restaurants of Vegas, we found unique local spots serving up hearty Basque family-style meals, a nod to the shepherds who settled in the area. Each meal told a story, a delicious blend of history, tradition, and local pride that you can literally taste. The history of this land runs deep, long before state lines were ever drawn. It's a story of indigenous peoples, Spanish missionaries, gold rush pioneers, and Hollywood dreamers. We took time to learn about the native tribes who have called this land home for millennia, like the Paiute, Shoshone, and Miwok peoples. Their stories and cultural heritage are woven into the very fabric of the landscape. We visited old mining towns, ghost towns that stand as eerie monuments to the boom-and-bust cycles of the 19th century. We walked the old wooden sidewalks, imagining the lives of the prospectors who risked everything for a chance at fortune. From the missions along California's coast to the historic ranches of Nevada, every corner of this region has a story to tell. Uncovering these layers of history gives you a much deeper appreciation for the complex, fascinating spirit of the Californias. As our journey comes to a close, looking back at the towering trees, the vast deserts, the epic canyons, and the vibrant towns, one thing becomes clear. California and Nevada are more than just neighbors. They are two parts of a greater whole, connected by a shared geology, a parallel history, and a resilient, adventurous spirit. From the awe-inspiring silence of a sequoia grove to the thrilling energy of a desert adventure, this region offers an incredible diversity of experiences. It's a place that invites you to explore, to learn, and to connect with something larger than yourself. It's the heart of the American West, beating with one powerful, unforgettable rhythm. So, the next time you plan a trip, think beyond the borders. Come and discover the two states with one spirit. Thank you so much for joining us on this incredible adventure through the heart of the Californias. If you enjoyed this journey, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more explorations of the world's most amazing places. And we love to hear from you in the comments. What's your favorite spot in California or Nevada? Until next time, keep exploring.